Hello, I'm Karolina from Time to Talk and welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk a bit about business. So first, we have 5 business words for today. So the first word is red tape. Red tape is paperwork. So if you work in some company, like a corporation, you usually have lots of red tape, so paperwork. Nobody likes it, but it's good to know this word. The second word is rat race. So if we work in a company where everybody wants to be better and better, but they don't think about others, that's a rat race. We have the same word in Polish, wyścig szczurów. Yes, that's a rat race. The third word for today is yardstick. Yardstick is a measurement of how productive you are. So, for example, if you fill 20 documents per hour, you are productive. And if you fill 10, you're not productive. So, some companies have some yardsticks, some others don't. The next word is minutes. So if we have a meeting in a corporation, for example, we can take minutes. It means we take notes what we are talking about on a meeting. And the last one for today is a hands-on approach. So our mentor or manager or anybody can have a hands-on approach, which means it's a practical approach to some matters. So we don't sit theorizing, we just have practical approach to things. And the last thing for today is a book that I would like to recommend. So, for example, I recommend my students usually Business Benchmark if they're on like higher level of business English. And this book has lots of recordings, so you can listen a lot. There's lots of reading and also some topics to talk about. And yeah, it's a good book, but the level is a bit high. So if you're just starting in business English, think about other books. And thank you for today. Remember, don't take part in a yardstick, run away from red tape, and take minutes during your meeting. So thank you for today. Bye bye.